A mini electric screwdriver saves time, reduces effort, and ensures precise fastening in tight spaces. My today's video is about top 5 best mini electric screwdriver that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Pacovy Mini Electric Screwdriver. The mini electric screwdriver is a versatile and efficient tool designed for precision and convenience. Its high-speed motor delivers consistent torque, while the soft grip trigger ensures precise speed control, making it perfect for delicate electronics, household repairs, or DIY projects. The included 36-piece S2 steel bit set covers pH, SL, hex, and Torx types, providing durability and resistance to wear and corrosion. Its ergonomic, contoured handle reduces hand fatigue, and the front-mounted metal gear housing offers excellent balance and control. Forward/reverse functionality and an auto-locking chuck make screw-driving and removal effortless and secure. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily into any toolbox or drawer. The sturdy portable case keeps the screwdriver and all bits organized, making it easy to carry, store, and access tools whenever needed. Overall, this mini electric screwdriver is an indispensable tool for anyone seeking precision, comfort, and reliability in everyday tasks. Now our second product is Fanttik E1 Mini Electric Screwdriver. The Fanttik E1 Max Precision Electric Screwdriver combines style, durability, and exceptional performance, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts and tech repair tasks. Powered by a 200 revolutions per minute neopulse motor, it offers precise torque settings 0.05 Nm low, 0.2 Nm high, and 3 Nm manual, perfect for delicate devices like tablets, phones, cameras, drones, and graphics cards. Its 50 S2 steel bits across 12 types ensure versatility and long-lasting reliability, handling almost any repair challenge. The magnetic case and magnetic chuck design keep the screwdriver and bits organized and easily accessible, while the satisfying pop-up mechanism adds a premium touch. Equipped with a 350 mAh rechargeable battery, it can drive over 450 screws per charge, with convenient Type-C charging for minimal downtime. Crafted from aluminum alloy for a sleek, ergonomic feel, the Fanttik E1 Max is not only functional but also award-winning, recognized by the 2023 iF Design Award and 2024 Red Dot Design Awards. A must-have for precision work and professional-grade DIY projects. Our third product is Fanttik E2 Mini Electric Screwdriver. The Fanttik E2 Ultra Precision Electric Screwdriver elevates small device repairs with power, accuracy, and smart design. Its 270 revolutions per minute neopulse motor delivers up to 0.6 Nm torque, adjustable across 5 gears, 0.05 to 0.6 Nm, for precise assembly without damaging delicate devices like tablets, phones, watches, and laptops. The upgraded 800 mAh battery lasts 2.3 times longer than the E1 Max, and Type-C charging ensures quick, uninterrupted use. Its RevoStore magnetic storage system keeps all 50 high-strength S2 steel bits neatly organized in a pop-up aluminum alloy case, combining functionality with a sleek, minimalist aesthetic. Additional tools like a pry bar and tweezers make disassembly easy. The gradient indicator bar provides an intuitive display of torque settings and screw direction, enhancing precision and user experience. Lightweight, ergonomic, and highly versatile, the Fanttik E2 Ultra is ideal for tech enthusiasts, DIYers, and anyone needing reliable, precise, and enjoyable small device repair solutions. Now number 4, UnaMela Mini Electric Screwdriver. The UnaMela 140-in-1 Mini Electric Screwdriver Kit is a comprehensive, all-in-one solution for electronics repair and maintenance. It features a small electric screwdriver with up to 200 revolutions per minute rotational speed and 5 torque settings, 0.15 to 0.35 Nm, perfect for precise and efficient screwdriving. The kit also includes a manual precision screwdriver for tasks requiring higher torque, along with 120 CRV bits covering Phillips, Torx, flathead, hex, pentalobe, and more, ensuring compatibility with PCs, laptops, phones, drones, RC cars, keyboards, and gaming consoles like PS4 and PS5. Ergonomically designed in a pen shape, the screwdriver offers lightweight, balanced handling for extended use. A 350 mAh rechargeable battery provides long-lasting power, recharging in just 60 minutes via a universal Type-C port. Additionally, the set includes 12 essential repair tools such as opening picks, tweezers, suction cups, and magnetic mats, keeping every project organized. Ideal for electronics enthusiasts, DIYers, IT technicians, and home repair tasks, this kit combines convenience, durability, and versatility in one compact package. And our last choice is MrToNo Mini Electric Screwdriver. The MrToNo 35-in-1 electric screwdriver set is a versatile, powerful, and user-friendly tool designed for both home and professional use. Its 250 revolutions per minute motor delivers reliable performance, with 3 adjustable torque settings, 1.2/2/3 Nm, for precision handling of tasks like computer assembly, furniture installation, and appliance maintenance. The set includes 33 magnetic S2 alloy steel bits covering Phillips, slotted, hex, Torx, square, and more, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. The ergonomic, soft grip handle minimizes hand fatigue, while forward/reverse functionality makes screw driving effortless. A 1500 mAh rechargeable battery, USB-C charging, and built-in 360° LED light provide long-lasting power and clear visibility, even in tight or dark spaces. The magnetic storage case keeps bits organized and portable for on-the-go repairs. Stylish, compact, and practical, the MrToNo electric screwdriver set makes an excellent gift for DIY enthusiasts, professionals, or anyone in need of a reliable, high-quality repair tool. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.